What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we got the old hanky-janky PW80 that we got for free, and we got it somewhat running last video. Wasn't good at all, but it ran a whole bunch of white smoke, which usually in carbureted dirt bikes that means that it's going to be an air leak somewhere or your rings are gone, but my guess is an air leak because it still has good compression. And so what we're gonna do right now is take off this cover, because as you can tell, for the carburetor, it just goes straight to the intake manifold. So there, I'm pretty sure there can be an air leak. Only spot could be inside here on the crank seal bearings. So let's take off this cover real quick and see if that's the issue. Hopefully it is. It's like a $15 fix. I just need to get a flywheel puller and we should be mint. Alrighty guys, so before we take off this cover, this is the ignition cover, so there should be no oil inside. I saw all this like oil around it. I was like, that's not supposed to be there. That means the crank seal is leaking. And so let's see if that's the issue. Hopefully it is, so that way I have to take off this cover. But I'm like 99% sure. Covers plastic and it has no gasket, so I don't see why it would have oil, because if you have oil you'd usually avoid plastics. There we go. There we go. Works like butter. Alright, got the shifter off. Yep. There is oil. Alright, so as you can see on the inside of this cover, it's wet, but it's definitely oily, I'm believing. Another thing that might be wrong is a base gasket, but I need to wash the bike first. And as you can see, here's a lot of oil. So I'm gonna need to kick it over a few times and see if it leaks. Alrighty, so basically, as you can tell right there, there is a little bit of oil right there. It's definitely oil and not two-stroke premix or anything. So I think what we're gonna do is probably wash this bike up the best we can. As you can see, all this slimy, grimy garbage. And get the bike looking really nice. And so that way, whenever we get the oil seal, bike's done, I can sell it because I need to get this money quick. Gotta get this bread. So yeah, let's put it out and wash it up real quick. It's probably gonna be a short video, but yeah, stay tuned.
Legends on the beat.
Alrighty guys, so that'll be a wrap for this little video. If you enjoyed, please like, subscribe, do all that good stuff. And until the next PW80 build, or 150R, or KX100, or whatever kind of video I'm doing next, peace.